Good day guys, I'm iGeorge and in this video I'm going to be telling you guys about HashPalette, which is an awesome project issuing a blockchain for non-fungible tokens, popularly known as NFTs. I'm going to be telling you guys about this project and the awesome services they have to offer. So let's dive right in. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a quick introduction to NFTs with animations to make you guys understand better. I'm going to be introducing HashPalette and Pallete Chain to you guys. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys about PLT Token, which is the native token of HashPalette. I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a Pallete wallet so that you can manage your funds and NFTs on Pallete Chain. I'm also going to be telling you guys about PLT Place and so much more. Okay, so let's proceed. For a very long time, we've been facing challenges of safe documentation and record keeping. Documents could be lost, stolen, or tampered with and manipulated because of the system of record keeping or documentation. Most times, people have a lot of issues like land disputes or unverifiable property rights, probably because these documents were tampered with or were misplaced. We've even experienced cases where people could illegally forge documents or certificates for a particular position because the record keeping database was not secure or there was really no way to verify that these documents were legit. But no need to worry. A solution emerged: NFTs, also known as non-fungible tokens. In recent times, we've been hearing of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, and we have seen how this industry has changed our financial operations for the better. But what if I told you that the applications of blockchain technology was not just limited to carrying out financial operations with cryptocurrencies? What if I told you that we could even do more with the blockchain? What if I told you that we could tokenize our documents and these documents could be kept safe and secure on the blockchain as an NFT? Okay, let's wait for a second. What is an NFT? A non-fungible token, that's an NFT, is a record on the blockchain which is associated with a particular digital or physical asset. The words non-fungible basically mean that you cannot replicate these documents for another. Unlike cryptocurrencies, they cannot be traded or exchanged equally. The ownership of an NFT is recorded on the blockchain and can be transferred by the owner, allowing NFTs to be sold and traded. Now you might ask, what can you use an NFT for? Well, you can upload images or documents to the blockchain as an NFT. You can buy a ticket to a show as an NFT. NFTs could be digital in-game assets in your play-to-earn game. You could trade NFTs because they have real value. You can transfer an NFT to your friend, and depending on what it is, you can easily transfer ownership of anything to anyone and is open on the blockchain for everyone to see. Since NFTs are representing our assets or documents of value on the blockchain, they can't be stolen, manipulated, or tampered with, which solves the problems I stated initially. All NFT transactions are open for everyone to see, meaning that they are verifiable and will curb the issues of illegal forging of documents. Now we have understood what NFTs are, what they can do, and the value they offer. Let's go further into HashPalette. Now, as we know, any solution to any pre-existing problem tends to be easily adopted. With the fast and increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies, DeFi, and document tokenization through NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain, the blockchain started being slower because of numerous transactions happening on-chain, and the transaction fees started to soar higher and higher. This was a bit discouraging and inconvenient because people were not able to carry out many transactions on-chain due to the slow transaction execution and high gas fees. Take a look at Bob. He's sad. People could not really carry out NFT transactions often because of this. In an attempt to solve this challenge, the Pallete Chain of HashPalette emerged. On Pallete Chain, users can transfer NFTs from one person to another for free. Yes, for free and with fast transaction execution. Pallete allows digital items to be handled as non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on its own blockchain, Pallete Chain. The Pallete Chain is a blockchain specifically designed for the issuance, management, and distribution of digital items in the entertainment field, and has been designed to fit business models. And these are the benefits and brilliant services HashPalette has to offer. 1. You can issue NFTs on Pallete Chain. 2. You can transfer NFTs on Pallete Chain with zero gas fees. And also you can transfer PLT, the native token of HashPalette, and also NFTs from Pallete Chain to other blockchains like Ethereum, which increases interoperability and convenience for users. So far, we've understood what NFTs are and the brilliant services Pallete Chain issued by HashPalette is offering. Let's take a deeper dive into HashPalette. Let me tell you about PLT Token and its utilities in the HashPalette ecosystem. PLT Token is the native token of HashPalette and has many utilities. Although NFTs can be transferred from one person to another for free on Pallete Chain, For one to issue an NFT on Pallete Chain, PLT must be paid as fees. Also, PLT can be used to purchase NFTs on the PLT Place. PLT Place is the NFT marketplace on Pallete Chain. I will tell you more about PLT Place later in this video. Also, holding PLT gives you some rights in the HashPalette community, like voting tickets for community voting, and at times holding PLT gives you access to pre-sale of NFTs. These utilities I've mentioned and many more innovations by the HashPalette team will drive value to the PLT token. You can always buy PLT at exchanges where it is listed. So far, we've learned a lot about HashPalette, but as we know in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space, to carry out any transaction, you must have a wallet. So now we'll be discussing the PLT wallet. The PLT wallet is basically a wallet that lets us manage PLT tokens and NFTs on Pallete Chain. We can use the PLT wallet to send or receive PLT and NFTs, and also to bridge PLT tokens or NFTs across blockchains. Sounds cool, right? Yes, it's cool. So now I'll be showing you guys how to install and set up the PLT wallet to have the best experience on Pallete Chain. The PLT wallet is available on both Android and iOS devices. Okay, so you can check the description of the video to download it. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Android. Okay, so you just go to your Play Store and then you just search for PLT wallet. Okay, so it's going to come out, then you just tap on install. So you just wait for it to finish installing. Okay, it's installing. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Okay, and it's done. So just tap on open. Okay, so you can just agree to these pop-ups. Just allow. So the first thing to do is either you create a new wallet or you import your existing wallet. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm just going to create a new wallet. So first of all, tick this checkbox here and then tap on create. So you choose the blockchain you want, okay, because PLT exists on both Ethereum and Pallete Chain. Okay, so for this tutorial I'm going to select PLT. So tap on it, then you just set up your wallet. So I'm just going to, my name is iGeorge, so I'll put iGeorge, my wallet, and I'll just write PLT as my password. Okay, PLT. So tap on create. So the next thing that's going to come up now is that we are going to have to back up our wallet, okay, to save your phrase. I know this phrase is meant to be kept secure and safe and secret. Okay, so we tap on backup mnemonic, then you don't need to show it to anyone, of course. Okay, so you copy it. After copying it, then you just back it up. Okay, let me back it up. So just put it in the right order. Okay, per region and short. This is just for a tutorial. Okay, this is not my main phrase. I'm just showing you guys how to set up the wallet. You tap on confirm backup and you've successfully set it up. Okay, as you can, this is my wallet address and this is just everything. If you want to get a private key, just tap on this key and you get a private key to your wallet. You need to keep all this information safe. Okay, and that's it. You have successfully set up your wallet. If you want to receive any token, what you just have to do is tap on receive and you can copy, and then you just send to the person you want to receive from. Okay, and then you receive your tokens. If you want to send to, you tap on send, you choose the token you want to send, which is PLT. Put in the address of the person you want to send to. You can put the address of the person you want to send to, and then you put the amount you want. Any amount you tap on next, and then you confirm the transaction, and that's how you can send PLT from yourself to another person. Also, there's this bridge feature here at this bottom. If you tap on bridge, this feature helps or enables users to be able to transfer their tokens from Pallete Chain to Ethereum. Okay, so here now you can put the amount of, if you want to transfer your PLT from Pallete Chain to Ethereum, you just put in the amount of PLT you want. Okay, from this your wallet address will be this one here. So you can now put in the address you want to send the PLT to, and you confirm, and you'll be able to send it. Also, that's how you can send your PLT from Pallete Chain to Ethereum. Also, you can also transfer NFTs, which is a very unique feature because normally it's not really rampant. Okay, so you just select the NFT you want, the one that's available when you have. Okay, put in the address you want, and then you'll be able to transfer your NFT from your wallet from Pallete Chain to Ethereum. Okay, so that's just it. That's it on how to set up your PLT wallet and how to use PLT wallet. Thank you. Now let's talk about the PLT place. The PLT place is the NFT marketplace on Pallete Chain. An NFT marketplace is basically a platform that enables users to trade NFTs. So PLT place is a platform on Pallete Chain that gives users the opportunity to trade NFTs, and yes, with the PLT token. So I'm going to show you guys how to use the PLT place. So first of all, you have to sign up, okay? But I already have an account. You have to sign up with your email. We already have an account, so I'm just going to tap on login, okay? So after that, just put in your email and your password, okay? Then you tap on login. So like I said, you are meant to have your wallet, okay? I already show you guys how to set up your Pallete wallet. So you have to connect your wallet, okay? So you tap on wallet connection, and then you're going to scan this QR code with your phone, or you can just, if you're using the desktop as I'm using, you can just connect any of your wallets, any of the available wallets you have here, okay? So I'm going to tap on this QR code. I'm going to scan the QR code with my phone, okay? So I'll use my scanner. I'll scan the QR code. So I'll now open it with Pallete wallet, okay? So I'll tap on connect. As you can see, it's connected, okay? So from this place now, what we are going to do now is I'll just show you guys how to. We're just going to explore this site, okay? So this is the marketplace. This is the marketplace where you're going to see NFTs, and you're going to see NFT of your choice. So anyone wants to buy, if you have the required PLT, you just tap on the particular one. So let me say this one. If I want to buy this one, I'll just tap on it, and then the price is 3,800 PLT, okay? So if you tap on buy, and then this is the purchase price. If you tap on determine, because I don't have in my wallet right now, but if you tap on determine, then you're gonna approve the transaction, and then you bought your NFT, okay? So that's just basically how to use the PLT place. What you need to understand now is that the PLT place is basically an NFT marketplace that gives users the opportunity to trade their NFTs on Pallete Chain, okay? So thank you. So guys, that's it for this video. In the course of this video, you've learned a lot about NFTs and how they work, HashPalette, and many more, which is great. With NFTs, we could tokenize documents, information, and assets of value, and they will be kept safe on the blockchain, open for everyone to see, and will not be tampered with or manipulated. At HashPalette, Pallete Chain is giving users the opportunity to trade and transfer NFTs from one person to another for free, and also with fast transaction execution. HashPalette is a blockchain optimized for NFTs. Let us adopt blockchain technology, guys. Let us take advantage and experience NFTs with HashPalette. Thank you.